Hello, children. You've probably heard lots of grown-ups talking about staying safe recently. Well, today we're going to talk about how to stay safe on the internet and online. There are lots of ways that we can use the internet at home and at school. A computer is one way. Can you think of any more? So, how can we make sure that we stay safe when we're online? You've probably seen these posters around school. They're very important and they help us to keep safe. This is a poster of rules we have to follow when we use the internet. 1. We only go online when we've asked a grown-up. 2. We are kind online. 3. We keep our own information safe. We don't tell somebody our name. And 4. We tell a grown-up if there's something that makes us unhappy or that we're not sure about. This is another poster you might see around school, and it helps us remember the rules again. So it spells out the word safe. S for speak to somebody if you need help. A for ask an adult before going online. F for friends, they are the people we know in real life. And E for enjoy, play safe and have fun. Remember, you can speak to a teacher at school if you're worried about anything. Children, this is Smarty the penguin. He likes to use the internet, but he's only little, okay? And sometimes he doesn't make the right choices because he's not an expert. He's still got some learning to do, okay? And what I need you to do is I need you to listen to the following story and I need you to help him make the right decision. The Adventures of Smarty the Penguin. It was late at night and Smarty the Penguin was wide awake. He was too excited to sleep because tomorrow was his birthday. He was really hoping to be given a new tablet. The big day came and Smarty had really enjoyed his birthday party. He had saved his most exciting looking present until the end. Oh, I really hope this is a tablet of my own, he thought as he began to open it. Smarty tore off the wrapping paper in a hurry. Mummy and Daddy Penguin had bought him a brand new tablet, just what he wanted. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you! Smarty's parents enjoy using the internet and are always there to help Smarty. Smarty was allowed to play a game on his tablet once in the morning and once in the afternoon. Mummy Penguin helped Smarty to find his favourite game and he was off. Everything was going well and Smarty was having a super time when all of a sudden something very strange happened. A picture popped up onto the screen. It was colourful and Smarty didn't know what to do. Oh no, thought Smarty. Did I click the wrong buttons? Have I broken the tablet? Oh, are Mummy and Daddy going to be cross with me? OK, children, Smarty needs your help. Can you help him make the right decision? What should he do? Should he try to fix the problem by himself and get rid of the picture, or should he ask his parents for help? Help! Cried Smarty. Daddy, Mummy, please help me. Something has gone terribly wrong. There's a funny picture on my screen and I don't know where it came from. Well done, Smarty, said Daddy Penguin. What a clever little penguin you are. Well done for asking for help and not trying to fix it by yourself. Mummy Penguin was so pleased with what Smarty had done, she taught him a song to help him make sensible choices on the internet in future. Before you tap and click, you need to stop and think and tell someone. Mummy Penguin deleted the picture that had popped up and Smarty continued to play on his tablet. Well done, Smarty. Children, next time you're using the internet, make sure you act like Smarty and tell a grown-up if you're not sure.